Hey everybody, my name is Chronoglide and I'm a watchmaker here in the Netherlands, and it is early morning at the moment. It is so busy, but I wanted to make this video for you because I was able to purchase something special and I want to share it with you guys. I've been reading this book, The Theory of Horology, for many years, and what I found fascinating is when the story starts, and I like to show you. Cheers. Well, I showed you The Theory of Horology before. I find it a fascinating book, and it starts just with the concept of time. Well, I wasn't able to purchase Stonehenge yet, but it does say astronomy, the basic things determine time. But what I found fascinating is this bit. That the story and the theory of horology started with time measurement before mechanical clocks. And this bit always intrigued me. The night candle, and it is called the night clock. And finally I was able to purchase one, and that is what I would like to show you. Well, this is not too special because I made it myself. Simply a candle, and here you find a pin with a bell. And this is the earliest alarm clock. Simply the hours are here, and when the candle burns down, simply the small bell falls on this ring and you hear ping, and time to wake up. Well, this is not too special. I just made it to show our students here. But the other one is really special. This is an original. This one is from 1750, and I hope I can show you what it is. It's a night clock. Here is an oil reservoir and a wick, so it burns. Here you see 5 o'clock, 6, 7. If you fill the oil reservoir with oil to burn, at 5 o'clock in the afternoon you'll be able by daylight to see the clock tower. So you set this clock at 5 o'clock, and during the night the oil burns here 12 o'clock midnight, 1 o'clock, and simply during the night you see the oil reservoir go down. You can tell the time, and then early in the morning when it's daylight again you'll be able to see the alarm clock. I find it amazing. I was able to purchase it from a lovely guy here in the Netherlands. When I was buying another machine, I saw it, and he is such an enthusiast. So I was very lucky to be able to buy this night clock, because it is a time-telling device from 1750. Well, I thought it was fascinating to show you this. I hope you enjoy it, and see you soon. See ya. Bye bye.